Hey, what's up? Adrian here and welcome to the Unboxed. Today we'll be taking a look at the newest addition from JBL, and that's the all-new JBL Flip 6. So without further ado, let's see what's in the box and how does it sound. So here we are. The outside of the box looks great, as we expect from JBL. As you can see, the front says JBL Flip 6. Yeah, so it has Bluetooth 5.1 and 12 hours of battery, which we'll be testing, of course. On the other side we have JBL Party Boost. We have two JBL Flip 6 here. Then on this side, Dare to Listen. It mostly looks like the JBL Flip 5 box, just like a bit upgraded. Also we have eco-friendly packaging. Nice. This one has magnets as well. Just do this. Awesome, you can see the speaker right there, but let's put the speaker on the side for now and let's see what we have in this small box. You can see a logo here as well, so let's open this. Alright, side. So we have the JBL charging cable, which of course is a USB-C. What else is here? Two manuals, whatever. Okay, don't come back. Safety instruction and warranty card. Okay, the JBL Flip 6 quick start guide. What's in the box, how to connect it. Well, I love this. It even shows you what you expect to see on the Bluetooth devices, what all the buttons do, party boost, and I think that's all the colors you get. So black, a light green, red, some sort of pink, a dark green, and a gray. We have the app and how to charge it, waterproof and dustproof, IP67. So this is where we have all the tech specs. So 20 watts of power for the woofer and 10 watts for the tweeter. Okay, let's see the speaker now. So that's mostly what you get inside the cable and the speaker. Nice. I really love their new logo on the speakers. So hard case box. This is like the new logo on the sides of the woofer. So I think this is to like keep it in one place and you put it down. You can also see some sort of a thing here. Don't think we saw that before on the other JBL Flip 5. So this has like a soft outside in case you drop it. So we have the power button, Bluetooth button, and then the bar that shows you how much battery you have. Then you have the charge port. Yeah, so let's hear how this JBL Flip 6 sounds. Alright, time for us to connect it, so let's turn it on first. Classic sound. And now it's in pair mode, you can see by the flashing Bluetooth icon. And as you can see, there's the JBL Flip 6 connected. By the way, this is at about half the volume and it feels quite loud. Up until now, the bass is really good, and the highs and the mids and everything, and it's quite loud. So now let's go to the max. It is really loud. I mean, you can't really sit in front of it. It's quite hard for me to sit in front of it because the tweeters are really loud. I mean, the highs are really in your face like that. But I think with all the speakers, when you go to the highest volume, they feel a bit like you should lower a bit the volume. I mean, at least that's how I feel with my speakers and the speakers that I've tested so far. But yeah, this one, I mean, it feels better than the other ones, but still can't keep it at the highest volume, maybe just a bit notched down. But wow, the bass and everything, it sounds really great and it's quite loud. I mean, really loud. So now we'll go lower with the volume. About around half, 50 to 60%. song. I really do love the bass on this. It's really punchy, it feels great. I like it. Yeah, let's test the buttons then. I really love the new design, which also shows on the new JBL Charge 5. Let's test the buttons. We have the play, pause button, volume. One thing that I feel is that when you press the button, it's really smooth and it feels nice when you press it. So that's what you hear when you press the party boost. Also what's nice, when you press the buttons, any of the buttons, you can see the battery level right there. Alright, let's listen to some more music and then we can maybe test the party boost and we'll see the app as well.
No man now, diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. Lot of slime, smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try to take it from me.
I feel that the bass sounds the best at around half the volume. So at around 50-60%, that's where the bass sounds like the best. At least that's what I feel like. Because when you go way up high, it feels like all the mids and the highs take a bit over the bass. So now let's see the app. Oh, we have Equalizer and you can already see the JBL Flip 6 connected. We have an update for the speaker. Plug the speaker into a power source to continue. Let's update it. If the app says, we got this, it easily connects, you can see how it charges, and now I can update it as well. It's back. It's really interesting that now, you know, with a software update you can improve so many things on like a portable speaker, not to mention like the likes of Tesla and other things. Just a small update, you can fix some things, you can make it sound better. In the case of Tesla, you can make it drive better as well. Okay, time to party. That's what the app says. So let's see, feedback tone. We can turn off the feedback tone. So yeah, interesting. When you connect it, when you press the buttons here, you get that sound. And now you can turn it off. And as you can see, you don't hear the sound anymore. But I do like the sound, so we'll stick to it. So we can see the battery charging. We can rename it as well. On the app, we have this equalizer. Let's get the treble a little bit lower. The mids, we'll keep them there and kick the bass a bit. Let's see how it sounds now. Okay, let's turn off the equalizer and try the sound again. The configuration that I did is not working for me. And maybe we'll just keep it as it is. But it's really interesting that you can use the equalizer as well. Okay, software is up to date. And we have the party boost. We can do party or stereo. So let's see party boost with JBL Flip 6 and the JBL Flip 5. We are connected to JBL Flip 6 now. Now let's try and play a song. Let's put it in party boost. Okay, and then the other one. And it syncs. Awesome. See? So you don't actually have to connect to it. As you can see, the Bluetooth logo from the JBL Flip 5 is not on and the one from the 6 is on. You just need to press both the party boost buttons and then you can connect with both of them. You'll need to connect with both of them separately. Thank you for watching. There's a link in the description below if you're looking for the JBL Flip 6. It might not be on Amazon right now, but I also have a link for the JBL website. Also, subscribe if you haven't already and check the JBL Flip 6 review next. If it's not here already, it will be soon.